Gosori mwancho murigereria ekiminano kiligi ya county ya Nairobi nikobone timu ya Premier FC neria ya Bypass kyanyara koba chikuro makario gutanyonsene igori ase egosori entindi ya gosori gwa ase egesero ya Police Band Stadium barabare no mucho Nairobi ase bono haborokia bichi timu echo chonsibere barire eira yogochia kobeka omokia erio kwenekia amachibu amaya ase chigosori chikobwate murikito Daniel Mwaga namange.
Eligi ya FKF County League menye county ya Nairobi niko yagenderera arit kuria rero ase minano obebe kugukora karibua na kurwa asegesero gya Police Band ensemo ya South B nigo ekrabu gya Premier FC gya bakabagikosoria ane krabu keria gya Bypass FC ase Bypass FC ibarenga bariganyo bekeminane kyo negosori yaruma kari gutonyonsanie goli ende yonsi gwekere kanya 90 ase chiklabu chonsi bere charekana korengania chinguru negosori yekanwane emeganda yabatiotereria ase bonsi barekana gotiotereria birabu byabo onomoyo oyomo Kokwana mega yachideke 90 kuru asegasere kyo omo captain ewe club ekyo ogya FC Premier Owich Brian nigo abe katene niningo e club ke gya Siria mabaga manga yokonyonse chigoli kurende oyeneke buna nigo bago chikokora Montreal isaine eli kwene kyanga chigosori chonse chikobwata nko bunya barekobwa na gotira agoikase league ya regionals.
My name is Brian. I play for FC Premier. I'm a player coach. I play and I coach at the same time. My today's game, to be honest, luck wasn't on our side per se. As much as we drew, I feel like we were supposed to win. We've had like 7 clear chances that we've thrown away. So I take blame on that as the coach and also a player, and I will improve on it. My fans, they should know that this game is a matter of life and death in this team. We are very well preparing for all these matches, so we try our best, and I promise the best for our fans. My expectation this season, we play in counties. I have high chances. We have high chances of being promoted to regionals league. So my expectations is nothing less than promotion.
Ase ensemo yaye omogosoria abwe club ekyo Eugene nigarekana kukokera kuruma kali nonye nigo atebaninga nigo baraguchikobe komokia elyo konyarubo buye chigosori chikobwatia
Samarita ngoro ku Eugene okeo omogosori team ya FC Premier twakore game yaito yere draw ya 0-0 twabwate chance chinyinge lakini tochibegeti lakini twagokira se draw ya away one expectation cheto toganeti chiwin chinyinge gochimotu nende totangane league tobuke next level.
Kokwana negeteseni igien Soko TV kurwensemeyo omokocha we club gya Bypass FC nigaene kyabuna iganga yabono gukora ribaga ari gatatu ritangani goseria kabere wekomweri obwisoniye yiga ekero abe katene nibuna nigara chie gukwana n'abagosori baye eri momento mo kiasi chigosori chikobwatia
Samarita ngoro ku Dominic Gwaro nje coach timu ya Bypass FC Nairobi gaiga no Torebase South B toko chesa league ya County League Nairobi ronto abote mopira na timu ya FC Premier ya timu na bangete bia wachezire game away basokire bachirane point yemo una into the host team ne twa mopira mbio cheso kurende bono ntotumie ti chances chetobia kiagara na kiaga ya tokosi to anyore dreyo expectation yeta season ye torre to advance to the next level torre gosento kore top 1 2 3 bado ndo bwata matumaini ndore gobe kiagara no tore number 7 chigemu bono kurubono no to win chigemu to arobo bwes chigemu cheto at the end of the day kire season yako na konya to akore to achieve our objective.
Mega yokuruma kali gutonyonsanie goli ende yonsi kurwega sereke gya Police Band Stadium gatiye timu ya Bypass FC amoneri FC Premier bono nigaba gosori amonemo kocha we timu ya FC Premier beresokiri abatebenge ganga yao no chikobwa chikoso cyabo cyategere season yeje iligotira go ke League Regionals. Ingoripo terekete seni igien Soko TV kurwega soba takati mu Nairobi iretera nanche kuru kwa Daniel omwaga